Right now, inside your body, a quiet system is about to wake up. You don't see it, and most people don't even think about it, but it's the network responsible for cleaning out the junk in your tissues, flushing away toxins, and keeping your immune system sharp. It's called your lymphatic system. And what happens next is something almost nobody notices, until they feel lighter, more energized, and even see subtle changes in their body composition. Most people believe that detoxing or cleansing happens through sweating, or that their liver and kidneys do all the work. But here's the twist. Your lymphatic system doesn't have a pump like your heart. It depends on movement, on your motion, on the subtle rhythm of your body, to push fluid, filter waste, and repair tissues. Because of that, the simple act of walking becomes a signal, a nudge, and a command for your body to start cleaning itself from the inside. Think of your body as a complex warehouse. Inside, every cell is like a workstation, producing energy, breaking down nutrients, and discarding waste. Over time, small amounts of debris, cellular garbage, and toxins accumulate in the hallways, in the corners, and even in the floors. Your lymphatic system is like the janitorial crew, quietly roaming the warehouse, picking up this debris and sending it off to be recycled or destroyed. But without movement, this crew is slow. They wander aimlessly. That's why sitting for hours on end means your internal cleaning is barely happening. Now imagine stepping out for a walk. At first, nothing seems obvious. The breeze brushes your skin, your muscles begin to shift, and inside, tiny valves in your lymph vessels start to open. In the first minutes, these vessels expand and contract, moving lymph fluid along like a slow-moving river. This early phase is subtle. You don't see it, but your body sends out tiny chemical signals saying, it's time to wake up, start the flow. This is where most people stop, before the real transformation begins. But this is where it gets interesting. As you continue walking, your lymphatic system enters the activation phase. Every step compresses muscles, squeezing lymph vessels, and pushing fluid toward nodes, those little checkpoints where waste is filtered and immune cells are stationed. Your body starts to burn fat, not in a dramatic torch calories way, but by gently mobilizing stored lipids to fuel this cleansing. Hormones like norepinephrine and growth factors whisper across your bloodstream, coordinating the effort. Think of it like traffic being rerouted in a city during construction. Everything is flowing efficiently, avoiding blockages. And here's the part most people miss. The faster your lymph moves, the cleaner your tissues become, and the more your body is able to regenerate itself at a cellular level. By the time you reach the peak phase, your lymphatic system is working at full capacity. Imagine a factory running at peak efficiency, machines humming, conveyor belts moving, and every piece of scrap being recycled immediately. Your immune cells patrol more aggressively, detecting potential threats, while interstitial fluid, the fluid between your cells, becomes fresher, less stagnant. This isn't just science, it's a tangible transformation you can feel. Your muscles feel looser, your joints lighter, and even your brain benefits, because a cleaner internal environment reduces inflammation that clouds cognition. Now watch this. The way your body adapts over time is remarkable. After your walk, during the after-effect phase, the cleaning doesn't stop. Your lymphatic system continues circulating for hours, responding to the signals you've sent it. Over time, regular walking rewires your internal systems. Valves and lymph vessels strengthen, nodes become more efficient at filtering, and your metabolism operates more smoothly. Think of it like software updates for your internal network. Each session leaves your body running cleaner, smarter, and more resilient. Most people misunderstand this. They think their body is a stubborn, flawed machine that needs external fixes. But the truth is, your body is an intelligent system, responding to simple cues like movement, hydration, and gentle pressure. You're not fighting your body, you're guiding it, telling it what to prioritize. Walking isn't just exercise, it's a signal, a conversation with your internal systems, saying, it's time to clean, repair, and optimize. Research shows that even moderate walking improves lymph flow and immune function, One study found that walking just 30 minutes a day increased lymphatic movement enough to enhance toxin clearance. Another showed that regular low-intensity movement reduces fluid stagnation in tissues, helping with swelling and even minor inflammation. Numbers matter, but the story is more important. Your body responds beautifully when given the right signals. Here's the tension most people don't consider. If you don't move, if you sit for hours, lymph fluid stagnates, cellular debris accumulates, inflammation creeps in quietly. Your tissues are still cleaning themselves, yes, but inefficiently, slowly, leaving you feeling sluggish, heavy, and sometimes foggy. Not dangerous immediately, but it reduces the efficiency of your internal systems over time. Subtle, silent consequences building up without notice. Now, imagine consistency. Daily walking rewires your internal network. Lymph vessels adapt, fluid moves faster, your immune system strengthens, and your tissues stay fresher. Fat stores become more accessible as fuel for these cleaning processes. Over weeks and months, your body becomes more efficient at detoxing, repairing, and adapting. Internal signals are sharper, hormones respond better. Even energy levels feel higher because your internal highways are no longer clogged. Your body isn't broken, it's responsive, it's intelligent, and walking is one of the simplest ways to communicate with it. Every step is a message, every rhythm a command for deeper repair, every gentle push forward a reminder that your systems thrive on motion. When you understand this, you realize that transformation isn't just external. It starts from the inside, invisible, but profoundly felt. So, as you consider your next walk, pay attention. Imagine your lymphatic system moving like a river, your tissues being cleaned, your immune cells patrolling. Feel the subtle shifts, the internal hum of a body responding perfectly to the simplest of signals. Walking isn't just activity, it's conversation, repair, and renewal. What surprised you most about this process? Did you know that your body relies so heavily on movement for its internal cleaning? Drop a comment and share your thoughts, because the story of your body is still unfolding, one step at a time.